Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing two cute little desk decor for your office. It's a GLAM Girl Boss. I'll be doing two of them. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Mo. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I am so happy to have you. And all of my return subscribers, thank you so much. For today's video, I'm going to be doing Girl Boss Glam Decor for your office desk. So as you guys may know, some of you, my return subscribers, you guys know that I'm just definitely going through my house and decorating my home and just redoing everything, decluttering. So of course you guys are going to see that. So I needed to add some decor to my desk and on a budget. So this is very cost effective. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and today's DIY. So I love doing DIY and there's definitely more here to come. So if this is what you love, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. On to the DIY. For this DIY, you are going to need a bushel of pink roses or whatever color you choose, a bag of clear glass beads, and your empty glass vase, whichever one that you choose. First, you want to get your glass beads and you want to fill them into your jar. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your scissors, and you're going to need some sturdy scissors, and you want to go ahead and cut the stems of the roses to your desired length. It depends on your vase, so I'm going to go ahead and cut those. For the sake of time, I've already gone ahead and cut my roses, and this is the length that I chose. And actually I decided not to use my glue gun because you actually don't need it since you have the glass beads. So you're going to go ahead and fix your flowers according to where you want them. This is a very simple DIY, a desk decor. It is so pretty. I love the clear glass beads because it is super nice with this color. Like I said, you can use whatever color you want and arrange your flowers the way you want them. And after arranging your flowers, this is the end result of what you're going to get. It is so pretty. And all of these items here you can get at the dollar store. The glass bead, the vase, the flowers. This is so cute, guys, to put on your desk. The calendar DIY project, you are going to need your hot glue gun, some small mini clothespins, mini gift tags, some scissors, stick on letters and numbers, pretty paper, a 5x7 Dollar Tree store frame. Okay, so I've got all of my supplies here for my DIY Girl Boss calendar desk decor. I did get the gold embellishment because I do have some gold in my office. So you're going to go ahead and get your 5x7 frame. And of course, you're going to remove this backing. Next thing, you're going to get what I call pretty paper. You can get paper from your Dollar Tree and like wrapping paper, and you can use that for the backing. So what you're going to go ahead and do is just trace out your backing like that. You're going to go ahead and trace it out. That way you can get the exact size, so you can use whatever one you want to use that fits your decor. So for sake of time, I went on ahead and I cut it out already for you so you can see. We're going to go ahead and place that in your frame like so. Let me move the camera so you can see. So you go ahead and place your pretty paper in here. I have my hot glue gun heating up. So you're going to get your backing. You're going to go ahead and put that in. Is how your frame is going to look, as you can see. And I'm gonna move the camera up just a little bit for you to see. Okay, and when I'm done, we'll see the finished product. So the next thing you're gonna do is, depends on what side you wanna do it. I'm actually gonna be working this way because I want my calendar displayed this way. I got these little, I will put it at the bottom down below where I got all of my pieces to make this craft. So I got these cute little gift tags. I got these at Target. So they were so cute. I guess they had a sale and I got these at Target, and they're perfect for this size. I didn't want like a huge calendar on my desk. And I'm gonna have one on my wall anyway, but I just want to keep one to just decor my desk, just a decoration for my desk. So I got these cute little ones here from Target. And of course you're gonna need some letterings, and I did get this lettering from Target as well. It's a self-adhesive alphabet. It has 201 letters in them, and they have like a glitter shimmer to them. You can't see it from here. I'll pull one out for you to see, but they do have like a shimmer to them. I don't know if you can see that, but they have all the letters on them. And then of course I got my little mini, they do sell these at Dollar Tree, but I got these, I had some on hand and I got these from Walmart. They were like $1.99 or $2.99 for the pack of these mini clothespins. And then also, you guys have seen me use these letterings for a Christmas decor that I did. So I got this one, I think I got this one from Walmart. I'm not sure, but I'll put it down at the bottom. No, actually this was from Hobby Lobby. So it's $3.99 for this pack. I thought it was a good deal for this. It comes with numbers and letters. So uppercase and lowercase, but we're gonna be just using the numbers here at the bottom. So of course, for the sake of time, I've already started some of the numbers, and I just want to show you how I do them. So with these, because these are gold, my frame is gold, I went on ahead and just did a little spray paint and sprayed these gold, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so these are how it looks, spray painted gold, and it matches perfectly to my decor. So I did 4 of them because you're going to need 4 of them for this project. And like I said, I thought this project was so cute. So the next thing that we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you the lettering. So for these, I'm gonna do 2 numbers to show you, and then I'll show you the rest of the cards. So I'm gonna pull out my numbers. You just make sure you get enough letters and numbers. So the pack usually comes with a good amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Would look like this on your little gift tags. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do my months. So I'm gonna make one for November. So this is how the stickers look. So you want to go ahead also and center your letters as well. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how we're gonna apply and finish up our project. So for this section, I'm gonna try to zoom in so you guys can see. Okay. Because my calendar is gonna be sitting a certain direction, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I'm gonna apply these. So basically, you wanna get your tags, and this is how the tags are gonna look onto my DIY calendar. So I wanted to have it enough in a space where it can be across from each other. So you want to make it where it's equally aligned to each other so that you can remove them easily. So you're going to go ahead and put them across from each other. And I kind of use this as my line to just make sure that it's straight across. Once you're done with that portion, this is where your glue gun comes in. Also for the bottom, you're gonna need the two that's going this direction. So you want them going a little bit lower, and this is how they're going to look. Just like this. So we're going to go ahead and glue them down. Allow for your project to dry, and of course I will show you the end results. I did want to quickly add, I know you're going to ask where we're going to put the remaining of the months and all of the numbers for our calendar. I made this little neat contraption that contained a little plastic sleeve that I made, cut it out where it had the tags on them. So I put it back here, and I took one of my clothespins and I hot glue gunned that to the back. So that way your calendar that's so gorgeous and girl boss ready for your desk, it will, every time you need to change the number or the months out, you just go to the back of your frame, which no one will see. So this neat little contraption that I came up with, I put it back here, and you can always just take it out whenever you need the next month. And that is that. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my DIY, my office desk glam decor on a budget, cute desk decor. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If so guys, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to live your life beautifully. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.